Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna hopefully finish our basic of our account and syndication, stuff like that. So let's see. So we got this register here we can use. We also have this login we can use. I'm gonna open up the mail as well, just in case I need to do more stuff with SSO. Alright. Okay. So let's see. I would like to go ahead and add register here in case they need a count. So yeah, so in this login, if you don't have account, please go register, something like that. So in here we'll go ahead and say need an account, register. Alright, and it's gonna be /oz/register. Okay, but then here gonna have a next. We're gonna have a next. So basically, let's see. So when they registered, need an account register here, and then we'll store the next parameter we have here, and then yeah, basically just put all the parameter back to the register there. So I think what we'll do is we'll see how can we get in JavaScript. Oops, I don't want it to open here. Alright, 1 second. Think I messed up order a little bit. Alright. So alright. Alright, so I think I may go to login. Alright. So in here, once I click on the link, what we'll do is we'll just say let me go get the and then I need to see the location. Yeah, gonna get the search up. Alright. So here we'll say register plus location.search. Remove this anchor here. Let's try again. Yep. So when I click on this register, redirect us to there. Alright. So then Then what I want to do is once I logged in, basically do this. And let me set up this here. So request bracket query format to be something like this. Alright, let's go to go phone verify here. And then here we'll say if request.session.get query string isn't none. We'll go ahead and say redirect to this query string. But then otherwise you just say this welcome to display this default page. Yeah. I think that's what we will do. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna say reset the password. That's gonna be our final function for this authentication app. And then this is like the skeleton of this authentication. And then maybe we're gonna go back of this account app, and then gonna add more features such as managing their login information, so like a dashboard style. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it simple like this. Or forgot password. Alright, and then here we're gonna say /auth/forgot password. Alright. Forgot password request. Alright, so in here we'll say if request.method we're gonna go ahead and do the request. I'm gonna do logout request. In case there's still a session because when I forgot the password, we're gonna clear the requests. Alright. And then if the method is post. Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, so how the thing work? It will be able to choose one, whether to receive a new token via SMS or via email. Okay, so in here we're gonna say equals to post. Let's return render request authentication HTML. Alright. Forgot password. Alright, so here we're going to create a form. which message gonna be post action, just gonna be the default route there. Alright, and then here I'm gonna say input text equals text. Placeholder is, let me placeholder, let's just say email, enter your email, number, or phone number. Alright. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So whatever user type here, we're gonna do the forgot password thing that way. So the name gonna be equals to info. And I'm gonna say submit. Submit. Alright, so let me go and put this into the URL step right here. Alright. Let me reformat this really quick. What's from control, yeah. I forgot like what's a class I need to add. Group control. Alright. There we go. To your email or your password. To your email or phone number. Alright. So in here we'll go to the to your email or phone number. Alright. And then here we'll say info equals to request the post. Bracket info. And once we get the info, we're going to determine the phone number or email address. So you can do this really easy. We'll say email, and then here's a user.objects.get email equals to info. And say try except user that does not exist. Then we'll say profile. And then we'll do another try. Profile.objects.get phone equals to info. And then say except profile that does not exist. And then here we'll go as to return render request message equals to incorrect email slash pass slash phone is not valid. Alright, but if we do indeed cease here, so if we got the email, we're gonna go ahead and in our helpers we here we're gonna create a function called send mail and their email subject body. And then I'm gonna grab it from one of my code base here. Mail. Where is it? Okay, here it is. All right, let me copy it from. Oops. Just copy it from here. So I kind of messed up. Oops. Shouldn't place it. All right, let me organize it a little bit here. There we go. All right. Yeah. Okay. And then here we're going to say from helpers import send mail as well. Send mail, which email gonna be there, subject reset your password, and then here go to send message, which is click this link to reset your password. We can indeed embed HTML in here since it's HTML supported. Alright, so it's going to be /auth/reset. And then in here, we're going to go ahead and say 7-digit code here. And then, so we need to create a new model here. Let's just say class forgot password token. Model. Alright, forgot password. So in here we go ahead and say user and then here we're gonna say code 7 and then we don't want any alpha here. Alright, so we're just gonna say forgot password token. Do we import it? Yes, we did. Alright, forgot password token. Here we'll say dot save. Here's a user equals to user.id. And then we'll say code equals to forgot password token. Objects dot filter. And then say bracket dot code. Alright. Send mail. Once we send it, we are done. Alright. Okay, now send a message. Send a message is really easy. That's why I don't have a function for it. Maybe I should. Let's see. Send. Yeah. Alright. Link to reset your. Okay, I need a base URL here as well. I do have a base URL, that's good. Password reset. And I'm gonna say the base URL slash slash reset slash possibly undefined, unbound. Okay. We're gonna say p equals here, and then let me take a look. Profile user .id. There we go. All right, and then yep. All right, now we're gonna implement the final thing, which is reset their password. So password reset. And then we're gonna run through the validation again. So we'll say all right. We'll say return render request authentication slash. We're gonna say reset password. .html. I'm not gonna really test this function because I think it should work. Hopefully, at least. All right. So reset password. New password. And then send it in between. Confirm password. All right. All right. So then here, what we'll do is we'll first check if the code is valid. That's actually going to come part of the thing here. And here is a forgot password token. Dot objects dot get code equals to code. The try except forgot password token does not exist. Now we say return render requests authentication. The message gonna be code doesn't exist. Okay, once we got the code, user ID is this. Alright, and then we'll say if request.post doesn't equals to request.post confirmation. Say code does not, and then we'll say confirm password is not same, it doesn't match password. Alright. I say password. Put the password. Alright. If not true, And then in here, if not false, and then it's gonna say password need at least have 8 to 20 password didn't pass validation. For now, just gonna say that. Let's see. Reset password Django. Alright. But now if I pass everything here, reset. Oh, have reset built in. I never knows that. Oh well, I mean, alright. Well, how to reset password Django user. Let's take a look here. Okay. Oh my god, okay. You know what, maybe we have to go to codebase again. Just to figure out how to do a reset password. Register login, log out, forgot password. Reset, okay, here it is. Alright. So it's a user equals to user.objects.get user ID dot set password. And then let me copy. Let's just save. We'll log out the request as well when it goes to this route. And then we return redirect /us/ login there. Alrighty, there we go. We finished our syndication process. Alright, so I don't want to spend too much on count because there's a lot of much more interesting stuff coming after it. But, well, I think that will be it for account for right now. Next, we're going to implement send email. Alright, and we're not going to necessarily create a SMTP server. Rather, we're going to use something called forward email. And, well, stay tuned for that, I think. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. That's me, out.